everybody. Hi, welcome back to our live stream. We are very excited today to have Dr. Ho here joining us.
Hi, everyone.
Yay, Dr. Ho's here. And we are talking all things travel. And believe me when I tell you that Dr. Ho is a travel expert. He does a bit of jet setting from here to there periodically to head off and do live shows down in Florida.
Actually, recently, I've been traveling more than I want. I was in Hong Kong, China, then Hong Kong, then Paris, Malta, Madrid, Amsterdam, back to Hong Kong, then to Japan, then to Hong Kong, and then China, Hong Kong, and then Toronto.
Wow. Okay.
In the last 2 months.
Okay, that's quite a bit of travel.
Quite a bit.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we're here today to talk about pain relief on the go, because if there is anything we know here at Dr. Ho's is that pain can strike anyone at any time. So we want to make sure that you are covered whether you are at home or you are on the go. So we're here to talk about two fabulous ways that you can help yourself today. In Canada, it's actually called our foot and leg system. But in the United States, it's our Circulation Promoter XP. So these are the exact same product. They just have different names for different countries. And they're also based off that same great technology we have in all of our systems.
That's right.
Whether you are a big fan and you There we go. We were getting a bit of an echo, so I turned my mic off.
Now it's fixed.
Now it's fixed. Technology, everybody, technology. But here, we want to make sure that you have everything you need to get that pain relief. Whether you are at home and you love something like the Circulation Promoter, which we have probably, how long have you been selling the Circulation Promoter?
This one, probably 8 years.
8 years.
It's been our top seller and continue to be a top seller because it really works.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I go ahead and talk about technology?
You sure? Yes, you
Okay.
can.
One of the things that we have done, and we're very proud of our engineers who come up with this, we're able to create a unit that can fit in the palm of your hand. But this will give you the same power, the same effectiveness as those big units that we pay thousands of dollars for, that we use in the clinic and hospitals worldwide. And that's why this is something you definitely want to pack with you when you travel. I never leave home without my Dr. Ho. Why? Because when you sit on the plane, when you sit in the car, when you sit in the wrong bed, when you carry luggages, okay, you always gonna get muscle tension, you can get joint pain, you can get nerve entrapment, getting nerve pain. A lot of you, okay, and a lot of my patients I've heard over the years have your holiday ruined because of the pain caused from traveling. So please, bring this system with you when you travel. And also when I talk about pillow, again, I never travel without my travel pillow. I hate, not just don't like, I really hate most hotel pillows, especially the fancy hotel, the big fluffy down pillows. They just don't work.
Okay, so my husband and I have a story you're gonna love. My husband and I, we had our big wedding anniversary. We booked a fancy hotel and they had the worst pillows. So we kept calling down to the front desk being like, can you bring up like more pillows, different pillows? Because it was the worst. So even like that special occasion was like totally ruined because we didn't get any sleep.
That's right.
I can really appreciate what you're saying with like hotels and not being able to get that rest. But people could even use this at home too if they want to.
Oh, in fact, when we travel to Japan, they actually prefer the travel pillow over the full queen size.
Yeah.
Because a lot of places they have smaller bedrooms and smaller beds, so they prefer a smaller pillow. So it depends on you. I sleep on a travel pillow most nights. I prefer a smaller pillow myself. Okay, but let's go back to technology. Okay, why is this so important? Because it's got technology that can relax your tight muscle, improve nerve and blood circulation to relieve the pain. It actually restores the function of your muscle and your nerves, which is very important, okay? Because when you sit in a plane like this, with the headrest pushing down your head, guess what? Neck strain. When you fall asleep on the plane, your neck is all cranked over like this. Guess what? Joint, okay, muscle, nerve entrapment, all kinds of issues. And when you sit in a plane and your back's not supported right, back spasm, okay? And when you sit and you don't move, horrible, especially if you got a, inside seat. When I was young, I loved the window seat. Now I don't travel unless I get an aisle seat, okay? No way, I'm not sitting by the window. I need to get up and move all the time. Actually, I've got a story for you. One time I was flying, not a long trip, just a 4-hour flight. I was sitting beside this nice lady. I actually remember her name, Thelma. And I said, hey, you gonna enjoy your holiday, where we're going? And she said, no, I don't. Well, I'm gonna enjoy my holiday. Hopefully, when I get there, my legs will work. I go, what do you mean? She go, when I fly, my knee swells up. And then I can hardly get up. I can hardly walk for a few days. I say, okay, don't worry. So I reach overhead from my carry-on. I pulled out the dog toe and I put pads on her knees. Actually, we had some big pads. Here, I'm going to show you, okay?
So just so you guys know, the circulation promoter XP and the foot and leg therapy comes with these body pads. What Dr. Ho's showing you is if you want to go on the website and get the big pads, you can get these. But this is the bundle. It comes with foot pads. It comes with these regular size pads, and it comes, of course, with the most important bit of technology, the pain relief system right here. So these are the things you're getting. What Dr. Ho is going to show you is something else that you can pick up on our website.
Okay, this is what I did for Thelma, okay? I put the big pads, one on each side of her knee, okay? And then, there's a little dial on here. If you don't know how to use it, it's very simple. We just click it on. And we'll turn it slowly because this device is small, but it's very powerful. So go slow so you get a really comfortable sensation. So turn a little bit at a time. Ooh, right there, okay?
Look at that.
And if I turn it high enough, you can actually see my muscle, they're moving. This is what we call a nerve muscle stimulator. It's a very special one with our patent technology, but it stimulates the nerve to cause the muscle to contract and relax. In our device, we have what we call AMP, auto-modulating pulses. Over 300 different pulses will stimulate the nerve to cause the muscle to move in different way. And that relaxes the muscle. It also pumps the fluid. So if you're swelling in your knees, it'll get rid of that fluid. If you have ankle water retention in your ankle or in your calf muscle, you can help to reduce that fluid by pumping the fluid out of your leg. Okay, so that's very important for reducing inflammation and water retention. Plus, it relaxes the muscle and relieves the pain. So just by doing this, it helped her leg so much. In fact, when we got there, okay, when we arrived, so we took the pads off. She used it for about an hour. I say, how's your knee? She got up, she go, what knee? And she walked in front of me and she was walking really fast and turned around. She said, enjoy your vacation. And really, this can really save your day, save your vacation. Whether you have knee pain or back pain, those big pads are great for the back. So if you actually suffer with knee or back issue, get the big pads as well as the system. Okay, you're gonna really love how it's gonna help you.
That's actually a great point. So whenever I travel, whether it is going away for a weekend with my kids or when I, try and do those big haul trips with the family, I always have to bring it for my back.
Yes.
Because my back is so weak or sore. Like I've had back problems since I was a teenager. So for me personally, this is something I never travel without. But also is like I find that even when I'm at home and I'm sitting for too long,
yes.
I find it really beneficial. I can just pull it out. It's small. It fits everywhere. So I can just use it whenever I need it.
That's the beautiful thing with my system. I make it so that it is totally portable because I know you can get pain at work, when you're playing sports, when you're traveling in the middle of the night, anywhere, anytime. So my device only uses 2 little AAA batteries. And even if you use it every day, because it's so energy efficient, it'll last you 3 to 4 months. So it's really safe, really efficient, and most important, you can use it anywhere, anytime. Now, actually, I just thought of another story. I must tell you, I can't get over this one. One time we're sitting in the waiting area to board the plane, okay? Then the crew was just sitting right beside me. And I overheard the pilot, okay? This gentleman, he was saying to his co-pilot, say, I don't know if I can actually fly today.
Well, that's scary.
and he said, my back is going to spasm. I don't know if I can sit for that long. Okay,
Oh,
and he was saying to the co-pilot, I hope you feel good because today I don't know how I'm gonna operate. Wow. So I say, okay, that's not good. So I actually walk over there and say, oh, excuse me, sorry to interrupt you. Okay, I overheard that you have back pain. I have something that can help you with your back pain. Would you like to try? He say, I will try. Okay, so I pull this out, put this on his back. After 20 minutes, he give the system back to me and say, my back feels pretty good now. So I feel happy, he was happy, and we had a beautiful flight, smooth.
So I think the moral of the story is if you see Dr. Ho at the airport, you're going to want to tell him that you're sore and he will just whip out his pain therapy systems and help you out.
Actually, I have another story. One time I was lining up. To board a plane, and I overheard the couple in front of me say, and he said, oh, I forgot to pack my Dr. Ho.
Really?
I was right behind him.
Really?
I say, oh, hi, I am Dr. Ho. They look at me, they go, yeah, they recognize my voice. Actually, yeah, your voice sounds familiar. I say, yeah, I'm Dr. Ho. He say, I hear that you forgot to pack yours. He goes, yeah, I'm going down to Florida for the next 4 months. I really need my Dr. Ho. I had to order another one. I say, don't worry, I got one extra one. So I just give him mine, right? He was so happy.
He's like Santa. He'll just hand the systems out to you at the airport.
No, when you travel, okay, whether you're on a cruise boat, on a plane, in a hotel, wherever you are, please bring your system with you, because the last thing you want is trying to find a doctor or hospital for your leg pain, for your back spasm, for your headaches, for the kink in your neck or shoulder. Yeah. It just ruins your day or ruins your vacation and people around you as well. You want to feel good. So just by bringing this little device with you, you put, actually, I just got a little Ziploc bag here. You can just put everything you need inside Ziploc bag.
Oh, that's
okay?
Smart.
So simple. Okay,
together.
And your whole family can have something they can rely on to relieve their muscle pain, joint pain, nerve pain, anywhere. Okay, so that's a beautiful thing. And there's no drugs involved, so you can be safe. So that's another great thing.
Okay, so let's talk about the deal we have for you guys today, because as always, we want to make sure that you get this in your hands. That's the most important thing. So for the month of August, we actually have a special promotion going on for this unit. So whether you are in the US and you want to get the Circulation Promoter XP, or you are in Canada and you want to get the foot and leg pain therapy, $99. Is that right, Edwin? $99? Just across the board. I got a thumbs up, everyone. I'm very good at remembering prices. So we have a discounted price. You can go to our website. There's a promo code at the top. But because when we do live streams, we have Dr. Ho here. We want to do something extra special. Because the travel pillow is something that I think you never travel without.
I love this pillow.
I'm obsessed with this pillow as well, because I'm not a very pleasant person when I don't sleep.
Who is?
And I feel very bad for everyone around me. So this is something that is essential as well. So we have put a special bundle together for you. You can actually, if you're watching on our website, you can shop it right on the screen right now. This bundle is the foot and leg and the travel pillow. You're going to use the code, the promo code TRAVEL. Someone's asking how this system is different from the circulation promoter. So this is a very popular product.
Okay.
Here at Dr. Ho's, we have lots of different options for everyone, because we know not everyone is built the same. Not everyone needs the same thing.
Absolutely.
So the technology, let's talk a little bit about the technology.
The technology for the larger system. Now, by the way, the main unit is the same unit, okay? This circulating promoter system, yeah, okay, they're a little bit different shape, but the inside technology is what we call AMP. It's a patented auto-modulating pulse pain relief technology. Over 300 pulses will stimulate the nerve and muscle to relax muscle, improve nerve and blood circulation to relieve the pain very quickly. With this large system, it's designed more for home use, because now you can place your feet on this very easily, okay, to relieve your foot and leg related pain. Now, with the promotion going on, okay, either the Circulation Promoter XP for US, okay, or the foot and leg pain therapy system, they basically same, just different packaging. It's what we call the budget pack, okay? We want to reserve, okay, this two smaller system for you that's living on a budget. I know a lot of you are concerned about cost and all that, so I want to make sure this is affordable. You can get the same relief for total body therapy. It's got everything you need to relieve pain just about anywhere, okay? But if you want something more convenient for home use, then go for the a little higher price, full size circulation promoter, okay? But the technology is the same. So there you go.
So here is what you're getting with the foot and leg. So you are getting the controller, as Dr. Ho said, the exact same controller, just shaped a little differently. You are getting the small pads, which I like to use on my neck and shoulders.
I have on right now.
You have it on right now. And you are getting the foot pads. Now, I want to talk a little bit about the foot pads because this is a question we get a lot on social media. And people are like, are the foot pads the same? Are they going to work? What do they do? Here's where the foot pads can do something the circulation promoter cannot. So you can actually adjust how far apart and the angle, because we get some people who they love the circulation promoter, but they feel like the foot pads are a little too close together for them. They feel like they're squeezing their legs together a bit. So
understandable.
Yeah, totally understandable. So here's a great alternative. Now we do suggest using them on a hard floor surface, just because if you have too plush of a carpet, you're not going to get that connection, right?
The contact,
Yeah, the contact. So, but the nice thing about it is you can have them kind of as far apart as you want, as close as you want, and it's still that same great therapy that you're getting.
Well, and also on the plane, which I use a lot, okay? I use this right on the plane because...
so let's talk about circulation and the importance, whether you're sitting at a desk, sitting on a plane. If you sit too long, that's not good.
When you sit, guess what? Your stagnation, okay? The stagnation in the blood circulation, in the origin vein, and also in lymphatics, because your muscles are not moving. By using this foot pads to stimulate the bottom of your feet, your calf muscle will start to contract and relax in different ways. And that will help to push any fluid that is retaining in your ankle area back up to your leg. It also helps to relax your calf muscle to reduce the tension and cramps that you may be getting. It just helps your leg feel much better. Because when you don't move anything for even 2 or 3 hours, your legs start to get achy, start to get puffy, start to get weak. It just doesn't feel good. So using this can keep your legs and feet feeling good, especially on those long flights. So this is very useful.
And I really like, so I can feel it in my feet, but I can also feel it like moving up my ankle into my calves. So I don't know if a lot of you know this. I've been at Dr. Ho's now for, I think, 8 or 9 years.
Yes.
I don't know. Time is hard. Since the pandemic, I've had trouble keeping track of time. But I actually bought a Dr. Ho system long before I worked here because I had injured my calf muscle.
Yes.
So I had bought it to rehab my calf muscle because I was going to my physiotherapist, I was going to the chiropractor, and because I've got 2 small kids, I wasn't able to go, 3 times a week. That wasn't something I was able to do. So we would make great progress after like a session, and then a week would go by before I could go back, and everything that we did got undone. So I got the Dr. Ho system so that I would be able to do these sessions at home to make sure I didn't 2 step forward, 1 step back.
That's a very good point. Actually, just 3 days ago, my wife and I went for a golf game. Okay, there's only 2 of us. So they pair us up with another
couple,
2. Yeah. Okay, it's a father and son team.
Yeah.
Okay. And it turned out the gentleman is a specialist doctor who treat cancer of the head, neck, and shoulder. Now, most people have pain like headaches, neck and shoulder pain. They become very chronic, so they get very concerned because no one can help them. So they get sent to a cancer specialist just to make sure they don't have cancer or something more pathological. So he told me, he say, I need you to come and speak at my clinic. Because most patients that come to us don't have cancer.
Yeah.
And we just get them to do some physical therapy or chiropractic or some kind of treatment to ease their pain. After a few weeks, they feel better. We send them home. Okay. But they say, what do my patients do when they're at home? They need your device to stay feeling well, okay? And so, yeah, so he invited me to go speak to his other doctors and patients so that they understand about home therapy. And that's what I decided, many years in my practice. I invented my system so that my patient can look after themselves, okay, in between my visit and also after my initial program. Because I know most of you don't have time or money or insurance coverage for regular treatments, okay? So having your own system allow you to feel good all the time, because now you can relieve any tension pain you might have anytime at a fraction, really a tiny fraction of the cost. I want to allow you to feel good for almost no cost. And that's what my objective in life is, because I see how people's life can change just because of the pain.
Yeah.
So there's no need for that. There is solution. You need to just try my product to understand what my purpose is in life. Because once you try and say, wow, this is like going to Dr. Ho in his clinic.
Yeah.
This is like going to physiotherapy or to my chiropractor, except I can do anytime. Really, it's that good. And that's why we're expanding all across the world. We have people in over 40 countries living better without the pain.
That's why Dr. Ho is flying around so much, everybody. He is sharing it with the world. Now, you've got the pads on your neck. What are you
Because I just
doing.
Remember another trouble story, okay? So one time I was on the plane and my neck was a little tight, so I was using this.
Yeah.
And the flight attendant came over and said, hey, what are you doing? He said, I'm saying, this is my device. I'm just using to relieve my neck tension.
Yeah.
She go, I got terrible migraine. Does your system help with that? I go, absolutely. In fact, I designed this system for my migraine patient. I used to run the Toronto Pain and Headache Clinic, and we have a lot of migraine patients, a lot of whiplash injury patients. So I say, okay, go ahead. So I show her, put the pads right here, just at the area below the hairline on both sides. I say, you gotta lay back, okay, just get a little something and lean back and just use this for 20 minutes. And it can relieve your migraine headache, tension headache, sinus headache. So make a long story short, she took it for about an hour. She brought it back. She go, we have 20 people who want to order your system. I go, what do you mean 20? She go, well, after I used it for 20 minutes, my headache was so much better. I was telling everybody, and they all tried it. And we have 20 orders for you.
Oh, well, that's not bad.
I said, okay, just go on my website, Dr. Ho now, and order your own.
Okay, so let's talk about what it means to have the two together, because you recently designed the pill. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to throw up a video just to kind of introduce the whole Adjust-to-Fit technology. Dr. Ho and I will kind of talk over the video just to introduce the concept of Adjust-to-Fit technology for pillows, because you've designed, we keep talking about a travel pillow, but this isn't just a pillow. This is that Adjust-to-Fit technology where you've actually created these little sections inside the pillow that inflate. So, Edwin, are we able to throw that video up? Perfect. Thank you. Okay, so this is the only pillow with Adjust-to-Fit technology. So let's talk about, what does that mean?
Inside this pillow, there's 3 areas, okay, where there's inflatable neck roll for the back of your neck when you sleep on your back. And the 2 sides have 2 adjustable head cushion for you side sleepers. So you can adjust this pillow to help your neck align properly. In my clinic, I have a lot of patients that suffer with headaches, neck and shoulder pain because of the pillow they're using.
Right.
The pillow is actually causing their pain or aggravating their pain. And that's why I decided to invent a pillow that you can adjust easily by a little hand pump, okay, to fit your neck. It also is a pillow that keeps you cool, because we put in many air vents and use an air core foam material, which really conform nicely, a contour, and it'll bounce back. So it's a long-lasting pillow.
Yep.
So this pillow, let me just put this behind my head here. It fits you perfectly, okay? Because you can adjust this area, the neck roll, by this little handy pump. Okay, there's actually a little pocket for the pump too.
Which is perfect, because when you don't want it out, so you just want to be able to use it. And what I really like is you've created these little clips. So after we've adjusted it to our perfect spot, we can actually lock it in place.
You can lock the setting. Okay, once you have it perfect for your neck, you can lock it. Now you can increase the height or the support at the back of your neck, and you can release the air if you want to make it a little softer or lower, depend how you like it that evening.
So that's for back sleepers, because the neck roll is for back sleepers. Now, what if we are a side sleeper? What do you have for that?
We have a second pump that adjusts this area and this area. So if you're sleeping on your side, you can use this to increase the height or the loft of the two sides of the pillow to fit the space between your shoulder and your head. So if you got a big shoulder, you can pump it up to make it a little higher so your neck can stay neutral. Because if it's too low, guess what? You're sleeping like this. Or if your pillow's too big for you, you're gonna sleeping like that. Okay? Either way, you're gonna have pain and you're gonna have tension, you're gonna have headache, or you have that numbness in your arm because your nerve get pinned. By using a pillow, they can adjust to fit your size to make sure your neck and shoulder and head is in alignment. You're gonna wake up feeling great. In fact, you're gonna sleep much better to start with, and you're not gonna toss and turn all night trying to make a pillow fit your neck, because this pillow is fitted, custom fitted for you.
Okay, so that is basically, if you are a back sleeper, this adjust-to-fit technology is going to be great because it can control how high your head is. And whether you sleep on your left or right side, you've ensured that side sleepers can get that same comfort. So don't forget, we have a special deal for everyone watching our live stream today, because we want to make sure you have everything you need, whether you are at home or traveling, to have that pain relief on the go. We have created a special bundle exclusive for the next 24 or 23 and a half hours now, I guess, a 24-hour sale where you are going to be able to get the discounted price of the foot and leg, or the circulation promoter XP. Plus, we are going to give you an additional $50 off of the travel pillow. Now, the travel pillow is that adjust-to-fit technology, and it's great because it is a smaller size. So, Dr. Ho, you were saying that some people, even if they have a queen or king size bed, prefer the travel pillow just because it's just like a good size for them.
It just fits so nice. Like really, if you're looking for a pillow that you can use, now this pillow you don't have to change once a year like they recommend.
Yeah.
This pillow probably gonna last you 10 years or more because it'll never go flat. You can adjust it. You can pump it. Okay, it's a really well engineered, patented pillow. Okay, so you're gonna save a lot of money just because you can keep using the same pillow that feels comfortable year after year. I know most of you, you're buying new pillows all the time. You probably have 4 or 5 pillows, but still didn't find one that fits you. Why? Because a pillow that fits you in your back doesn't fit you in the side. Okay, or you change with time. Someday you could be have more tension from working or from stress. You need a different pillow than a night that you feel, nice and flexible because you just had a nice workout at the gym. So you need a pillow that you can adjust anytime, anywhere, easily. You don't have to put stuff in, tough stuff out. This pillow is really ideal, not just for when you're traveling, but for everyday sleeping as well. And the size I created fits inside your carry-on case. Okay.
Wow.
So and if you let all the air out, it's very thin. You can push it right down, get all the air out, so it doesn't take much space. Okay. So even if you just you travel light, you just have a carry-on, this will go in your case. I really love this package you put together. I mean, you got the pain therapy system, which can keep you head to toe relief.
Literally,
with the foot pad.
Okay.
And if you have back pain, knee pain, just order the big flat tone pads on top of the package. And you have this pillow that can last you for many years. Okay, not just when you travel, but at home as well. You really are getting a system that can literally change how you live, how you feel for the rest of your life. Because think about it. If you have less headaches, neck and shoulder pain, back pain, knee pain, foot pain, you can sleep better. You can have more energy to do your work, play with your kids, do your everyday household work, or just be more creative at work. You're just going to be in better mood because when you have less pain, your body's not sending all this negative energy, negative thoughts, and negative stimulation to your brain. Your brain will feel relaxed. You're going to feel good. You're going to feel like yourself. Basically, I know when you have pain, you're not yourself. You become this irritable, impatient person, and your spouse and your significant other
family
will tell you that you're not the same. But when you feel better, you become yourself and life is just better.
Well, and I think people also, like, whether you are at home and you're watching this and you're thinking, well, I sit at a desk all day. I'd like to be able to get that circulation. I'd like to be able to get a better night's sleep. Or you are going on vacation. Maybe you have been saving for a big family trip and you are finally going on this vacation, and then you end up with a sore back from the plane ride and your feet are swollen when you get there and you have a horrible night's sleep, and all this money you saved up for this vacation is basically ruined because...
No, I heard that so many times. I have seen patients, I say, oh, you just went for a vacation. How was it? They say, oh, it's terrible. My back, I throw my back out, or my knee was swollen up. We couldn't, do that track, or, or I woke up with a headache and we lost a couple of days.
That's so sad.
No, it really is.
It's sad.
It's not, it's really unnecessary. Okay. I always say this, a day lost to pain, especially when you're on vacation, is a day you're never going to replace. So please, you got to be proactive.
Mm-hmm.
Don't wait till you have severe pain before you order. Get one now. It's like, this should be a preventive medicine in your house. Okay? This should be preventive medicine in your travel case. This is something we all need. Nowadays, with new technology, we don't have to pop a pill every time we get pain. I got nothing, against pain pills, okay? But if you rely on them for long-term use, they can cause irreversible damage to your organs, okay? And don't go taking the opioids and all that stuff. They can be so addictive, even after 1 week of use, it can really destroy your life or your health, okay? This is a system that we've been using for over 30 years with over 15 million people around the world. It works, and it works fast. It works better than anything else we have ever tested. And it's got patented technology that no one else has, called AMP, okay? It's a special type of nerve muscle stimulation that can really relax your muscle, increase the nerve and blood circulation to relieve the underlying cause of your pain. So for arthritis joint pain in your knees, in your feet, pain at the bottom of your foot, if you have diabetic neuropathy, meaning your nerve is damaged from diabetes or from a herniated disc or restless leg syndrome, okay, this helps to wake up the nerve, relax the muscle, get the circulation going, so you feel the bottom of your feet, so you get the strength back, the stability, the balance, so you feel good. If you're the type of person that is giving up, activity like walking, playing sports, traveling, please, this little device, if you use it regularly, after even 1 week, you'll find you can increase your activity because you feel better. Your joints, your muscles, your nerve all start to work better. And when you start to feel better, you're going to do more. And when you do more, you become healthier. You're going to do more and more. So think about 5 years from now, if you start to feel better today, your life will be much better. But if you do absolutely nothing and let your health deteriorate, you're going to become less mobile, less active, and your health will usually deteriorate when you don't stay active. And that's what we're talking about. You can choose to be a healthier, more active, more fun-loving person, or someone who don't enjoy life as much because your health is not where you want to be. Listen, I can talk all day. It's not going to help you. And I love to talk. Sorry about that. Really, I just want you to try it so that you understand my purpose in life really is to help you, because I know once you try, you're going to tell many of your friends and family, you're going to tell your doctors, and you're going to start enjoying life again because you're going to really appreciate what we're doing here for you. And this package, I really love this package, Kathe.
Well,
really.
So you know what my goal is that somebody saw this live stream today, and they pick up this bundle. They pick up the foot and leg, they pick up the travel pillow, and then the next time you're at the airport, they flag you down and they're like, Dr. Ho, I saw your live stream and this pillow has changed my life. Having this while I'm traveling, really makes me feel better. I have had the worst luck at airports recently, where I am like running through the airport to make a connection, and I actually have pulled muscles because it's like I've got the kid's backpack and I've got a suitcase and I'm like running and it has been so just for me to always ensure that I have my Dr. Ho system, because as people know, I'm kind of accident prone. I'm always hurting myself. So having the Dr. Hose is great. And then having the travel pillow is so essential. We did create a very special bundle for everyone watching the live stream today in honor of Dr. Ho joining us today, talking about traveling, talking about preventative medicine, talking about how you can prevent by, having the pillow to ensure that you're not, getting those kinks and cramps, and having the pain therapy system to help, get that inflammation under control and get that swelling and make sure the circulation is moving.
You brought some very important, for a lot of people who get recurrent pain, recurrent headache, recurrent neck and shoulder pain, recurrent knee pain, recurrent muscle cramp. Why is that? It's because you're not looking at yourself properly with the right tool. This pillow, yes, it's designed to give you the most amazing sleep, the most comfort.
Yep.
But besides that, it can help you. It's going to help you tremendously to prevent those recurrent headaches, the neck and shoulder pain, the numbness in your arm when you sleep. This is something that can really change your energy level, your quality of sleep, and how you feel every day, and your function of your neck, head, and arms. Okay, that's the difference. And this little pain therapy device, I know most of you say, come on, that little thing, can it really do what you say? You don't have to believe me, but 15 million people around the world are already proving that this is the only thing that works for them. Okay, and once you try, you will add to that list of happy customers that we are so proud to help.
Well, and Edwin brought up a good point in the chat. He's here monitoring the chat over at drhonow.com. If you were watching us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, head on over to drhonow.com, join the chat, ask us any questions. But he actually, put that, if you do have pain and it is stopping you from doing the things you love, you have nothing to lose but to, actually use our 100-day satisfaction guarantee, where you can take advantage, knowing that we have this guarantee in place. You can try it at home. You can, seeing is believing. And I think that's something that, you've shared with us today in this chat, where people, they try it for like 20 minutes and their life has changed.
Well, okay, we give you the 100 days to try it because our purpose is to help you. We don't want to waste your time or your money. I know everything's hard to come by, especially money nowadays, okay? So we want you to test it with the confidence to know that if you're not happy with the results, if it doesn't help you in any way at all, please return it for refund. We are here to help you, but I really want to encourage you to just give this a try. Because only after trying it can you realize that something out there can be so useful for improving your quality of health and quality of life.
Well, and I think that really maybe we'll finish up here where we really want, Doris has the queen pillow and she loves it. Thank you for sharing, Doris.
Fast, Doris.
So glad to hear that. Yeah, the pillows have been immensely popular. That is why we wanted to put this bundle together, because in August, we have a special promotion running on drhonow.com where you can get either the Dr. Ho's foot and leg system or the circulation promoter XP. You can get it for a discounted price on our website right now. You just have to use the promo code. But today we wanted to really bring you a special package where you are going to be able to do that preventative, use the pillow, get that kind of preventative, mindset going, where if
get a good sleep,
get a good night's sleep, and also get that circulation promoter XP or the foot and leg. So we have a special where you will get $50 off the pillow, plus you are getting a discount on the foot and leg therapy system. You just have to use the promo code TRAVEL. So TRAVEL. We are only running this promotion for 24 hours. So make sure you take advantage. This is really such a great opportunity for you to get, as Dr. Ho said, this is our entry-level system, and it's really just because it has the small pads, it has the foot pads. It is the same technology that you will find in our circulation promoter,
what Kathe is saying,
in our neck pain pro, in our triple action back belt. It is that same AMP technology.
What Kathe is saying, just because you pay so little doesn't mean this will not give you the effective relief. This will give you the same relief as the more expensive system that we have. Okay, so really this is the technology inside that's going to help you. Okay, and one thing we have not mentioned, we make our system so efficient, so high quality. Okay, even the pads are reusable at least 50 times. So if you do the math, This will cost you next to nothing. If you come to my clinic, okay, my patient used to pay $100 per each visit using the same thing. Now you can get thousands of treatment for
you can take
pennies.
it home for the same price because it's $99.
Oh yeah, that's right.
For it's $99
Just a
on
one
the
time.
website. So it's like one trip to the chiropractor or the physiotherapist. You can get. So this is the bundle I do want to show you right now. This is either it says right there, pain relief system. That is the magic right there, everyone. That is what comes with the circulation promoter XP and with the foot and leg. This is the same technology that you are going to find in our other systems. You are going to get 2 small pads that you can use on the neck and shoulders. You can use, we say small pads, smaller muscles. So I would say neck, shoulders. I use it on my
neck,
elbow.
shoulder, arm.
Yeah.
Headaches.
If you've been following our live stream, you know that I've been rehabbing tennis elbow, not from tennis, not from anything athletic. And then you get these treble foot pads, which again, very, very popular. I get a lot of questions on social media about them because you can customize the distance. So a lot of people like that. Now, Dr. Ho has the large pads. These are not included with the bundle, but you can, of course, get them on our website to treat those bigger muscles.
Get the big pads too. Fantastic for lower back pain, knee pain, which I use a lot to keep me playing basketball. My problem is I always forget how old I am. I overdo it. I overdo almost every day. Like lately, I've been cutting trees and bushes and pulling weeds, and man, I feel it afterward.
Do you want to come to my house?
No, thank you. I'm still not done. Oh. Okay. Okay. And yeah, no, the big pads must have. Okay, get the system. This pillow combined with the pain therapy, circulatory promoter system, XP, or the foot and leg pain therapy system, you can't go wrong. It just works and works, and it'll provide you not a month, not a year, but many years of good quality care. Okay, I'm telling you, our system, we still have a customer that had purchased the original one over 30 years ago, and the plastic's all worn out. Now, when you go to Italy, all the stones worn out from people walking. Well, my device is so worn out from him using it. And he laughed because I said, you should get a new one. He said, no, it's still working perfect. I just need new pads.
There you go. So don't forget, this is the Adjust-A-Fit technology travel pillow. You are going to be able to get $50 off that when you buy it with the pain relief system using that travel promo code. It does have the inflatable bladder for neck support for back sleepers, and the 2 pumps on the side for side sleepers. Now,
actually, don't forget, okay? If you want to do some comparison shopping, I urge you to. My system, okay, are all manufactured in an audited medical device licensed factory. Every system is gone through many, many vigorous testing with SJS, okay, as a independent testing system. And all test results pass to FDA to get FDA 510K clearance, okay? So everything we use in our product, okay, they do not cause cancer, okay? They are made to last long time. All the electronics are very stable. Every component is really high quality. You're getting like hospital grade devices for really a low mass market price, because my purpose in life is to help as many people as possible. Now, you may see something similar, okay, on the market making similar claims, and I urge you to get them too, and and compare those. And the moment you actually put in your body, okay, you will know that I want Dr. Ho because this is quality. I can feel different. You don't want a cheap, immature, amateur device sending shocks to your body, because that can actually cause some harm. Versus this feels like a soothing, deep relaxation massage. It's completely different. So don't let what I call false advertising fool you. You want to use quality, proven, classified, clear medical device that will help you.
And in Canada, this is a class 2 medical device under Health Canada. It does have TENS, which is transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation. So you can check your benefits and your health spending accounts to see if they do cover a TENS device. It also has EMS and NMES, which is another type of therapy that is often covered. You can check your insurance. You can also go to our YouTube page. We do have a video there talking about kind of the ins and outs of checking your health benefit plan, your health spending account, things like that, to see if you do have coverage. But I think for the $99, for the system we have for August, and of course, our very special promotion where when you buy the two together, not only are you getting the discounted price on the pain therapy system, you are also getting the Adjust to Fit travel pillow for $50 off. Well, I guess Dr. Ho's going to have a nap now, so we might as well wrap up.
I feel like it. This is so comfy. Put on a movie. Put on my favorite show.
So funny. Please be sure to check out our social channels at Dr. Ho Now. If you have been watching this live stream on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, make sure you check the chat so that you can click into drhonow.com. Come and join the chat with us. But yeah, go to our YouTube. You can watch past videos and shop this limited time sale for the next probably like 23 hours.
Quick review of this pillow. It's got 3 zones. You can adjust the neck roll for back sleeping. You can adjust the 2 headrests on both sides for you side sleepers. You can adjust it to give you support and to make sure your neck is in correct alignment, not misalignment. You can adjust it to fit your shoulder width so that you're not like this or like this when you sleep. This is adjustable so that you can feel comfortable and also to prevent strain and pressure on your joints, muscle, and your nerves. That's why when you sleep in this pillow, you'll sleep like a baby and you're not going to wake up with your nasty headaches or that kink in your neck or that knot in your shoulder or that numbness in your arm, because your neck, when it's in neutral alignment, everything feels better, everything works better.
Okay, well, I want to thank Dr. Ho for joining us today in his very busy schedule as he shares his pain relief with everyone around the world. I'm glad he could pop by and join us for the live stream today. So thank you, Dr. Ho.
Thank you for having me.
Always a pleasure to see you.
Thank you all of you for your attention and your time. And I appreciate your trust in me. And I hope once you discover our product, you help other people by letting them try it or introduce them to order their own. Okay.
All right. And don't forget to follow us on socials at Dr. Ho Now. Until next time, we will see you guys then. Bye-bye.
Take care.